Hi everyone, welcome to my another YouTube video, and today I'm gonna show how to make a fireplace just to get ourselves cozy, because the summer is not here anymore. Yeah, summer is gone. So I bought the sketchbook with 20 pages. My plan was to fill it in 2 weeks with Albrecht Dürer engravings and illustrations, but eventually it took me 18 days plus these 2 days that I was crafting the hardcover for my sketchbook. Actually, the original idea was to bind it with a thread, all the pages, but what happened during the process that the needle and thread in my hands doesn't go well. So I just glued everything and I just added a hard cover from carton. I used the black paper to decorate and to harden some parts, and I used refurbished leather on the side, as you can see, to make a side of my sketchbook. So that's what I did, and in upcoming video there will be a full review of my sketchbook. I'm gonna show what I did, and I'm still planning to add a few illustrations because, as I said, there was 20 pages, I used 18, and I used only one side of page, so the other side is still white. I still have plenty place to do some artwork, and I'm gonna fill as much as I can, and I'm gonna do full video then about me reviewing the sketchbook. So guys, wait for it, and yeah guys, enjoy this video, and that's what I have. I guess I'm just gonna fast forward, so watch it, like it, share it, subscribe it, and wait for another video. covering the mistake that I made, because when I was gluing the leather back of my book, I by accident glued it on the corner, so I had to cut a small piece from paper and just fix it. So that's what's happening right now. So it's finished. That's how it looks like. I'm just gonna add a stamp and it's ready. Bam! So guys, if you really like my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.